हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम टू मोटो गैराज यूट्यूब चैनल। सो ये एक प्रोजेक्ट है जो हम लोगों ने भी रेडी किया है। दिस इज़ बेड रैक एंड रूफ रैक। सो ये बनाया है टूरिस्ट मोटोटेक ने एंड दिस ब्रांड इज़ ओन बाय पुनीत। सो ये हम लोग सेल कर रहे हैं, इंडिया का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हमारे पास है। हम लोग ये पूरा सारा सेल वगैरह करना जितना भी है, इंस्टॉलेशन सारा हमारे एंड पे होगा एंड इट्स इन कोलैबोरेशन विद टूरिज्म मोटोटेक। तो मैं चाहूँगा पुनीत, तो आप कुछ इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताएं, सारी चीज़ें क्या क्या है, क्या बेनिफिट है इसके और कैसे ये बना है, क्या क्वालिटी है, वो सारा आप एक्सप्लेन करें।
सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली नोन एज बेड रैक। सो जो ये हमारा बेड होता है Isuzu का, इसके ऊपर हम बेसिकली कैनवस टॉप यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इट्स अ मॉड्यूलर सेटअप वेयर यू कैन शिफ्ट थिंग्स। दिस इज़ अ लोड प्लेट विच यू कैन शिफ्ट ऑन द टॉप साइड. You can adjust it vertically and horizontally. So if you have jerry can, shovel, etc, anything you want, you can just mount on this. You can open these 4 bolts and you can shift. Secondly, this setup is not welded. It's a completely bolt-on DIY kit. So as you can see, the entire setup is made out of bolting assembly. You can see on the shots as well. So these are 3 pillars which we have designed in C-section form, which is water jet cutted, and it's made out of 4130 steel. So this is going to be really tough. It's 3 mm in thickness, and yeah, you can shift the load plates on the top end. You can add your bicycles, you can add your shovels, etc, anything you want. You can add a soft canvas tent which you can extend further. So as you can see, this particular car is having a handmade bed setup. So there's a plate which is going to come on top of this, and you can add a bed. So basically, after we add the bed and the canvas on this particular frame assembly, it is going to be a motorhome kind of setup where you can keep on adding things. These slots, they are designed in such a way where you can add on your kitchen setup, you can add on your frames, you can add on a bar on this, where the flap is going to open on the sidewards, which is again a secondary project which we are on. So yeah, soon you'll see the kitchen and the bar setup coming on the vehicle. Secondly, we have developed the rooftop rack. It is one of the slimmest rack available in the market for Isuzu V-Cross. As you can see, it is having a front plate which is really slim, as you can see in the cinematic shots from the front. It's kind of non-visible when you're having it from the front. These are aluminum channels which is having 2 T-slotted mounts where you can add on your lights and anything extra which you want. On the top there are these 2 load plates. Load plates are basically designed for adding multiple purpose things, like you can add on your tire, you can add a bed on this, you can add awnings. So yes, it's a utility oriented project which we have done, and these products will be available for the market really soon. Now you can enjoy the cinematic shots and the drone shots as well.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite.